everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about some inspiring Weight Watchers success stories. Losing weight is not easy, but it's not impossible either. It takes a lot of dedication, hard work, and discipline. But with the right mindset and support, it can be done. In this video, we'll be sharing some incredible stories of people who have transformed their lives with the help of Weight Watchers. So, let's get started. Success Story 1. Our first success story is about Jane. Jane had been struggling with her weight for years, but after joining Weight Watchers, she finally found a plan that worked for her. She learned how to make healthier food choices and started exercising regularly. Over the course of a year, Jane lost 50 pounds and is now happier and healthier than ever before. Success Story 2. Next up is John. John had been overweight his entire life and had tried countless diets and exercise programs with no success. But after joining Weight Watchers, he finally found a plan that he could stick to. He learned how to track his food intake and make healthier choices. And as a result, he lost over 100 pounds in just 18 months. Success Story 3. Our final success story is about Lisa. Lisa had been struggling with emotional eating and had tried every fad diet out there. But after joining Weight Watchers, she finally found a program that addressed the underlying issues causing her to overeat. With the support of her Weight Watchers coach and community, Lisa was able to lose 75 pounds and is now living a healthier, happier life. Wow, those were some truly inspiring Weight Watchers success stories. These individuals prove that with the right mindset, support, and guidance, anyone can achieve their weight loss goals. If you're looking to transform your life and become a success story yourself, we highly recommend checking the description for my weight loss recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.